morning, you guys. Good morning from Champhai. Champhai is a border town also, you can say, because I am very close to Indo-Myanmar border. और आज का प्लान ये है कि मैं जा रही हूँ एक वाइनरी में. मुझे आज तक ये बात पता नहीं थी कि मिज़ोरम में अल्कोहल जो है वो ऑफिशियली बैन है, सेम लाइक गुजरात, बिहार एंड ऑल. सो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही लोकल ब्रांड है, दैट इज़ रेड वाइन. इट्स कॉल्ड चैम्प वाइन. चैम्पाई के नाम पे पड़ा है. तो यहाँ पे वो रेड वाइन बनती है. आई हैव नेवर बीन टू अ विनयार्ड बिफोर, सो आई एम रियली वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट. हाय, you guys are from Mizoram? Champhai? You speak English? Hindi? No? English you do? No? Okay. You live in Champhai, hometown? No? Okay, no problem. We have reached the winery and I can smell wine. This is red port wine and the brand name is Champ Wine. I'm at Champhai winery. There is so much going on here. They are pouring grapes and carrying grapes, doing everything with grapes, and I'm still excited to see how they process the wine. They are weighing it. Yeah, they are weighing it here. So here you can see, वहाँ पे truck से they are unloading grapes. यहाँ पे they are putting it in the basket, and after this, taking these baskets, the grapes go in the crushing part. So ये मशीन में crushing होती है. उधर से grapes डालते हैं, यहाँ पे सारा pulp निकलता है, seeds इधर इकट्ठा होते हैं. Then ये पाइप के थ्रू ये सारी चीज़ें इन टैंक्स में जाती है. So you can see there are so many big and massive tanks here. तो इसमें fermentation, filtration का part होता है, which we will see. और इसके बाद wine की packaging होती है. So you can see the final product here. This is Champ wine, red port wine. There are cartons and cartons of wine here. This is interesting. 100% grape, sacramental wine for religious use only. Here are all the machines for packing, and I'm sure this is for filtration.
Basically, in winemaking, laboratory testing is very much essential. From the initial stage, the grapes before crushing has to be tested. The quality of the grapes has to be tested. So we call it bricks. Now I'm taking this fresh juice, which was crushed yesterday. So right now I'm going to show you how much bricks, what is the level of fermentation, what is the level of sugar, with the help of this Brix hydrometers.
What is that bricks you mean?
So Brix is a kind of a parameters which is indicating the level of sugar in the fruits. So initial Brix was 14 yesterday, and then today the Brix has been 11.
So how much it should be for a good wine?
And when the Brix is 0, then only we can say that fermentation is over. The amount of alcohol, the percentage of alcohol is determined by the level of Brix.
Okay, so it should be 0?
So when it is 0, that means all the fructose, sucrose in the grapes are fermented. Okay. That means all the sucrose, all the sugar in the grapes has been transformed into alcohol. And the next step, so what I have to do is clarification of the wine. Then we will go for fine filtration. Then wine is ready. So the entire process usually takes at least 1 year. The older the wines, the better the quality of the wine.
That's why we say aging like wine.
Yeah.
So right from plucking of the grapes to final product, it takes minimum 1 year.
Yeah, it takes minimum 1 year. Basically, wines are named from the place of origin. So the place of origin is Champhai, and the wine manufacturer here is Champ wine.
Can you tell me how much do you sell it for?
Champ wine 750 ml cost 2,790 rupees per case.
2,790 for a pack, and which has 12 bottles of 750 ml each.
Yes.
That's very cheap actually.
No, that is the factory price.
Do you export it also?
As of now, we are not exporting to any states, but we are trying to export to Delhi.
Delhi
Soon.
Delhi folks, here it is Champ wine. Whenever it's launched in Delhi, please go and have it. It tastes good. I'm not a wine person, but still I liked it. पहली वाइन जो बनी थी यहाँ पे, फर्स्ट लॉट ऑफ वाइन, दैट वाज इन 2010. So we went to the winery, but right now I'm standing at a vineyard. There are only 2 wineries in Mizoram. So Champhai is one. All these baskets here पूरा black grapes से भरा है, और बहुत सारी मधुमक्खियाँ हैं यहाँ पे, हनी बी, जो कि काटेंगी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. पहले ये ग्रेप्स जो है फार्मर्स यहाँ पे उगाते थे और खुद ही खाते थे, फिर बेचना शुरू किया उन्होंने. बट दिस ग्रेप इज़ नॉट वेरी गुड फॉर स्नैकिंग, एज इन टेबल ग्रेप के लिए ये अच्छा नहीं है. इट हैज़ गॉट दैट क्रंच and it's tangy, but it has got really nice and different aroma. Now I know why they say it doesn't qualify for table snacks, because it's tangy. बहुत ज़्यादा ripe है, पका हुआ है बिल्कुल, लेकिन खट्टा है. And behind me, these are the grape plants, and this is spread across 2 hectares of land. तो यहाँ पे पहले क्या होता था कि फार्मर्स खुद ही ग्रेप्स उगाते थे और वो खाते थे ग्रेप्स और बेचते थे. देन दे रियलाइज दैट ये ग्रेप खाने के अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ों में यूज़ हो सकता है. तो दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग वाइन एट देयर होम फर्स्ट, एंड दे लाइक्ड इट. सो इवेंचुअली दे एंडेड अप टर्निंग दैट होम वाइन मेकिंग प्रोसेस टू अ वाइनरी. यहाँ पे इतने सारे ग्रेप्स हैं ना इस विनियर्ड में. ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ विनियर्ड, एंड सीरियसली मैं बच्चों जैसा बिहेव कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर सीन दीज मैनी ग्रेप्स. लाइक पेड़ पे लगे हुए ग्रेप्स तो मैंने आज तक अपनी ज़िंदगी में नहीं देखे ऑनेस्टली. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम बिहेविंग लाइक अ किड. सो यू कैन सी हियर दे ऑल आर plucking the grapes सो यहाँ पे कुछ 20 एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, फार्मर्स यू कैन से, बट सीज़न के टाइम में इट कैन बी अप टू 50। प्लकिंग का जब पीक टाइम होता है, मतलब वाइन मेकिंग का, अभी हार्वेस्टिंग का सीज़न है। टुडे इज़ 20th ऑफ जुलाई 2023। सो अभी यहाँ हार्वेस्टिंग हो रही है एंड दे आर प्लकिंग द ग्रेप्स। नाउ आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू डिफ्रेंशिएट। सो ये जो बहुत ज़्यादा पके हुए ग्रेप्स है ब्लैक वाले, उसको तोड़ते हैं वो लोग। ग्रीन वंस लाइक दिस वन इट्स नॉट रेडी येट। ये अभी तैयार नहीं है तोड़ने के लिए, बट दिस इज़ रेडी, दिस वन। Hi.
Say Chibai.
Chibai. Chibai. Chibai means hello in Mizo language. So he's the owner of this vineyard. So tell me, what is the name of these grapes? Name?
Grape, Bangalore Blue.
Bangalore Blue. It's quite strange. Bangalore Blue. Mizoram, but it's Bangalore Blue. Anyway, what is the peak season? Like, when do you plant it and how long does it take?
So saplings are planted from the month of May, during the month of May and June, and then it takes about 3 years to mature. It bears fruit after 3 years, and then the fruits are generally harvested in the month of July and August.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was really lovely meeting you. So guys, this was the wine making, red wine to be precise, in Mizoram. तो अगर आप एक wine lover हो, then तो definitely you have to come here. And if at all you are not a wine lover or a non-alcoholic person, then also you can come and see how they make wine, because it is such an interesting thing to see. I really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys had fun watching this vlog. So there's so much in store for us in Mizoram. और अभी मैं next जिस destination पे जा रही हूँ, you guys will love it. So stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next episode. Do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Please subscribe and share this video, because more you share, help मिलेगी मुझे ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचने की. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until then, bye bye.